I've got some new carnivorous plants again. The one I purchased this time is Drosera Adelaide. Unlike Copenses, Adelaide has large leaves. It is not producing mucus right now, and I know why. The store clerk must have sprinkled water on the leaves. But don't worry, if you repot it and expose it to ventilation and a little sunlight, I think mucus will come out too. If you look closely, there's a cute extra. Next, I will repot my Adelaide. Drosera Adelaide will be replanted. First, remove it from the container. Remove some soil by hand. Removing soil produces multiple plants. Finally, any soil on the roots is washed away with water. Put some sphagnum in the flower pot. Drosera Adelaide also has long roots. Hold the leaf with your hand so that the sphagnum does not stick to the leaf. Cover only the roots with sphagnum. Put sphagnum in the gaps and plant it. It should be cinder when replanted. All replanting has been completed. This one was a small plant. I planted it like this. When watering, avoid hitting the leaves. This concludes the replanting of Drosera Adelaide. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give us a high rating. Thank you for watching.